How to get the position of maximum value in a range? Name and marks are given and we want to get the position of maximum value, right? How to do this? First, we will use max function to extract the maximum value, right? Equal to max, bracket start, select this range, bracket, close, press enter C. Maximum marks 99, right? Now we will use match function to get the position of maximum value, right? First we will copy this formula, copy, then paste. Now we will use match function equal to match, bracket start, in the end comma, select this range, 0 for exact match, bracket close, press enter C. Maximum value is located at fourth position, 1, 2, 3 and 4, right?